In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dreamy glow effect in CapCut PC. If you want to give your footage a soft cinematic bloom, or make part of your screen stand out with a cleaner and more polished look. This is one of the easiest effects you can use. The great thing about CapCut on PC is that you can apply this style very quickly without needing any advanced editing experience. To get started, go to the top left menu bar and click on the Effects tab. Once you're inside the Effects section, look over to the column on the left side and make sure Video Effects is selected. This opens CapCut's full library of visual effects and gives you access to the tools you need for this glow style. From here, go to the search bar at the top of the Effects panel, click inside it, type glow, and then press Enter. This is the fastest way to find the effect instead of scrolling through the entire library. After the results appear, you should see a few different options. Look for the standard glow effect or the edge glow effect. Either one can help create that dreamy, highlighted look depending on the style you want. Once you find the one you want, click and drag that effect directly down onto your timeline, placing it right over your video clip. When it drops onto the timeline, CapCut will apply the effect to that section of your footage. Make sure it is aligned over the correct clip so the glow appears exactly where you want it. Now it's time to refine the look so it feels soft and professional instead of overpowering. Click once on the purple effect block in the timeline to select it, then move to the top right Properties panel. This is where you can control the settings for the effect you just added. Find the slider labeled Glow Intensity and drag it to around 65. That level usually gives you a nice smooth bloom across the screen while still keeping important details visible. This part is especially useful if your video includes text, interface elements, or grid lines, because setting the intensity too high can make those details look washed out. Keeping it around 65 helps preserve clarity while still adding that cinematic softness. And that's it. With just a few quick adjustments, you've added a polished, dreamy glow effect in CapCut PC. It's simple, fast, and a great way to make your footage look more stylish and refined.